Yeah, certainly I'm making rest by the minute, I gotta invest it. Totally bitch, I'm not cupping, but lil' mama, we can be besties. I fill up the raw with the sticky and pure, you know I'm not stressing. Made 100 on the Tesla, won't believe it, just test me. You ain't see my jealous like this, you ain't seen them do it like this. You ain't see me do it like this, you ain't see me stepping like this. You ain't see me do it like this. But I'm doing for you fit,
yeah, man. Just went marching again with the trends for the win, man. We tapping back in, man. Just played a little snippet to my single. They ain't seen me. About to tap back into the marketplace, man. All right, man. So first we gonna take a look at SPY, man. They at 590.39 right now. It's 146. The market is open and we're trading. I already made my trade for today. I was bullish on them earlier. I waited an hour for the to get in my entry. I got into SPY at about 5. Let me see where I got in. On the 2-minute chart. Boom. Boom. Okay. So y'all got in the spot around 587.31, man. I'm about to show y'all how some of these contracts are priced and the worth of these contracts, and just a little bit about how like you can flip your money in these contracts. You feel me? We're gonna take a look at some daily contracts. So, you know, I use Webull for the contracts. You know, you go to the options. We're gonna take a look at some of these daily contracts. So there's a multiple different types of contracts. You got contracts that expire weekly. You got contracts that expire daily, and you got some even weirder contracts that may expire in the next 2 days, 3 days, and so on. So we're looking at these daily contracts. These contracts are extremely risky. I will only play these contracts with money that I care about. I don't care about. I'll go low risk. So I'm gonna show you some of the price moving on these contracts. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, the percentages up for the day. They expired today, and they still percentages is up crazy right now. So 591. As you can see, it opened up around the lowest. One of the lows was about $10. Yeah, it was like some of the lows. About like $10. As low as $8 right here, and you can see that what values I'm referring to is under this time frame right here. So Webull has a sub chart for actually seeing, like, you can use technical analysis for the options contract. Each individual contract has a chart, right, of the price movement. Each individual contract, and each of these rows are contracts, by the way. And we're looking at call contracts. So we're looking at this 591 call, and the strike price, they expired today. And the lowest that it was at today was at 10:03. When you hover over it, you can see the time frame right under the cursor right here at 10:03. It was at $8, and right here it shows what each ticker, what each candlestick opened up at. So this is what it's opened up at. This is the high, and this is the low, and this is what the candlestick closed at. So this 2-minute candle opened up at $8. The high was $8, and it closed at $14. So the lowest value of this contract for today, this 591 call, was $8. You know what I'm saying? And it reached a high of about $82. That's the high that it reached at $82. That's 1,000% play on the contract. You feel me? And I'm only looking for about 20, 15, 10% on my contracts when I get in contracts. So, you know, like if you got extra money to leverage, you can cut your percentages off, hold some contracts, however way you want to play it. But remember, these are extremely high risk contracts. And I'm gonna show y'all some more lower risk contracts after this, but I just want to show y'all some of the movements on SPY and just how crazy some of this and volatile the market can be. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is 1,000% play. This contract created 1,000% play today, man. So that's phenomenal, man. Now we're gonna take a look at Tesla. We're gonna take a look at Tesla, man. Boom. We go out on a day. I'm gonna talk about a couple things going on my chart. I'm actually using two major indicators right now. I'm using a 200 MA and I'm using a Fibonacci retracement indicator, right? I'm gonna take this off so y'all can see it. So this green line is the 200 MA, right? And whenever it's over that 200 MA, is the stock price. The stock is generally bullish. And remember, bullish is when you're betting on it, when it's going up, and bearish is when it's coming down. You know what I'm saying? So made a perfect bull flag on the daily chart. Respected it. Now it's bullish right now. It's bullish. It's up right now today. Also made a perfect cup and handle. Like I could draw the cup and handle on it. This is the cup right here, and this is the handle. And you know, at the cup and handles, generally, you know, that's generally what happens. So still bullish on them, man. Respected a lot of levels. There was some bullish divergence right here. You can see it made a double bottom, then it made a higher low right here. So some bullish divergence is going crazy right now. Still bullish on them. And I'm gonna add my fib on here so I can see which levels, get my support and resistance levels on here, man. Let's do it. So I got my fib. You know, I use my recent swing high, my swing low, you know, it's right here, my high right here. In that golden zone, broke out of that golden zone, man. So my next stop is about 574.89 from my next wait, let me bring this up, be a little more accurate. Okay. So, you know, you want it at the swing high. So try to be as accurate as possible so you get the right level. So yeah, around this 385 range, 385 range right here is what I'm looking at. 384.24. Yeah, cause that's what I seen earlier. So around 384.24, that's my next price target for Tesla, man. We should hit it by the end of this week, within the next few trading days. And I'm gonna show y'all another way you can invest in Tesla, man, because Tesla's they contract prices are inflated right now. You know what I'm saying? So we about to take a look at some of their contracts. And I'm using Webull. That's the stockbroker that I trade with. Webull. I like their technical analysis. I like the information it has. It shows the information about the stocks and everything or whatever you trading. So as you can see, man, these prices is crazy. They in the money contracts is like a band or better, and this is a weekly expiration. I'll go 2-3 weeks out on the contracts. Weekly contracts, when day trading, I wouldn't get a weekly. Like Tesla, I done seen some weeklies go crazy up until like Thursday, Friday, but Thursday and Friday has been closer to expiration. Those are more risky, so I'll stay away from weekly contracts after Wednesday. But I'll go like 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out the most. But these weekly contracts right now is like a band or better. And remember, this 9.20, that means $920, and 10.50, that's $1,050. That's kind of a way you can look at the contract and price the contracts. But this is TSSL. This is another way that you can invest in contracts. Invest in Tesla. Life-changing money, life-changing opportunity right here to get in this TSLL. And I can show you what it means. Direction Daily Tesla Bull 2x shares. So this basically trades with Tesla, man. So it's at 13.74% on TSLL, and Tesla is at 6.96%. So it trades on the same trend as Tesla. So that's like double the percentage of what Tesla's at. So it's 2 times. It's almost like a future, how you can go 2x, 3x, 4x. You can just do 2x on this with the on the share in general. So you can buy into those shares, and those stock and those option contracts is where the money makers is at. I'm gonna show you the contracts right now. These are the money makers. These are the money making contracts right here. Okay, boom. Let me go out. TSLL. Oh man, no, that's not it. Not TSL. Okay. So on TSLL, I would go 3 weeks out. 1, 2, 3. And I'll look at anything from between these 16 to June 13. I'm gonna look at these contracts. So any contracts from $16 to $13 is what I'll be looking at The furthest out the money that I'll get would be 18.5. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these contracts are definitely gonna go crazy. Off of that movement up to even just 374, or what level is that? Yeah, if it continues to run past 384 range, it got room to go up to like 430 right here, man. So we're gonna watch it, see what it do. But the next level of resistance is at 384.24, man. And yeah, man, that's what we on today, man. I'm still watching the markets, gonna continue to drop more videos. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Appreciate y'all for listening, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video, man. It's Martian again with the wins, and we out, man. Peace.